All right, guys, my name is Noah Abear. Thank you for clicking on this video. All right, and I'm here to talk to you guys today about my first week of 3D printing with the Mars Elegoo 3D printer. All right, now I've had some successes, like this small Egyptian head right here. I've also made this piece that I'm going to turn into jewelry right here. I'm going to cast it in 18 karat gold and fill it with lab created diamonds, and then a beautiful infinity sign, right? That's going to be white gold and with lab diamonds. Now, I've also had a couple failures. All right. I've had problems with sizing things. All right. I wanted to keep the design very simple. All right. Yeah. Here's a bracelet. All right. Now, the biggest thing that I've noticed and I've had a problem with is the settings. So every different 3D model that you are printing, all right, is going to need different parameters. So there's going to be a different amount of um, posts or supports that you're going to need. There's certain ways to place them in strategic positions. And there's also ways to set the depth and how far the post leads into your actual model, how big the base is, so on and so forth. So the biggest thing that I've learned this week is to just keep trying and keep playing with things. All right. These are the very first couple rings that I designed. Very, very simple. All right. Same thing. All right. I also designed this right here that I'm going to put on a chain. I really like it. Mostly going to wear it to work for the guys at work who like to talk shit. But the biggest thing, honestly, that I've learned, you guys, is to just keep going, keep practicing. I just had a misprint on my machine right here. So I'm going to be fixing that here in a second and trying to reprint again. All right. So if you guys are looking to get into the jewelry industry, if you guys are looking to get into, I mean, honestly, any industry, it's not going to be easy. Even if you're printing 3D models of, your Call of Duty figure or just little knickknacks and things that you guys are planning on selling to people. There's many different things and many different ways and tricks that you can go about it. But the most important thing is for you guys not to give up and to keep just trying new things. Just mess with things. If something doesn't print, or you have a misprint, you have pieces of the thing that you designed and went to print out that don't succeed, that don't actually print, then try to tweak a couple things on it, all right, and see if that helps. Like this was the very first print that I made. It only came out as posts, all right. I've been working on this bullet that I want to turn into jewelry recently, and honestly, it's not easy. I thought this was just going to be a plug and play, get everything together, plug in the machine, download Cheeto Box, download some stuff from CG Trader, and then boom, take it to the jewelry district in LA, post it on eBay, and now I'm rich. But I am very quickly finding out that this is not the case. All right, so I'm going to actually clean the machine right now. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the very first week on how my journey's been going. Things that I've printed, things that I've been working on. I was honestly working on it for like 5 days straight, a couple hours a day, and I was getting really, really frustrated. So if you guys find yourself getting to that point, then just step away for a couple days. Go enjoy your weekend. Go spend time with your dog. Go take them to the park. Take your girlfriend out to dinner. Whatever you guys feel you need to do to clear your mind and come back with a better and more solid idea and plan of attack, all right, is the most beneficial thing that I've learned. All right, don't give up. Keep going. If you guys have any questions about the video, about what resin I use, about how much I bought my machine for, or any other little thing like that, I even got a curing station that's right here. All right, so you guys just stay focused. Let me know if there's anything I can help you guys with. Just post it in the comments. All right, please like and subscribe if you guys got some content and got some value from my channel. All right, with much love, you guys stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll see you guys later.